Good morning, students. Any doubt in exercise 7.2?
No, sir.
Then I will move to exercise 7.3. Area of triangle. A, B, and C. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, and X3, Y3. So the coordinate is what? X1, Y1, X2, Y2, and X3, Y3. You have to find the area of triangle. So area of triangle is, say this one, how to learn half. Right here x1 plus x2 plus x3. Now put here y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, sorry, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, and y1 minus y2. Half x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. How to learn this one? Please join on time. Continuously, you people are entering the room. Okay. So this is y2, y3, y1, starting from y1. So this become starting from y2. This will be y2 minus y3, y3 minus y4, y3 minus y1, and y1 minus y2. This is a what? Area of triangle. And second point to be noted, if area of triangle is 0, suppose this point shifted here, then area will reduce. Again, this point shifted here, again area will reduce. Area will reduce at this point. Area becomes 0 and point A, B, C are collinear. A, B, C are collinear. If area of triangle ABC is 0, then 3 points are collinear. These 2 points clear?
Yes, sir.
Third point, centroid. This is first median, second median, this is third median, and this one is centroid, denoted by G. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this is what? x3, y3. So the coordinate of centroid G is x1 plus x2 plus x3, y3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the coordinate of centroid. Centroid, you know what is centroid?
So is it this center of the triangle?
No, this is not center of a triangle, not compulsory. This is point of intersection of all the 3 median, right? Point of intersection of all the 3 median. Okay. Based on these 3 concepts, exercise 7.3 is there. First question, find the area of a triangle whose vertices are. You have to find area of a triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, and minus 4. So area become what? Half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Half, what is the value of x? 2. What is the value of x2? Minus 2. And x3 as so this become half, and this will become what? 8, and this become 4 minus 3 minus 7 into minus 1. It's 7 plus 6. Finally, half into 8 plus 7 plus 6, 21. So 21 by 2 square unit. Any confusion in getting this concept?
No, sir.
Now question number 2. In question number 2, in each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear, right? So A is what? 7 minus 2. B is what? 5 comma 1. C is what? 3 comma k. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So you know area of triangle ABC will become what? 0. So this will become what? x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2. Tell me what is the value of second parameter? y3 minus y1 plus x3
Y1 minus Y3. Y2.
y1 minus y2 equal to 0. Putting the value here, 7, 1 minus k plus 5, k plus 2, 3, minus 2 minus 1 will become 0. 7 minus 7 k plus 5 k plus 10 minus 9 equal to 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 7 is what? 8. Minus 2k equal to 0. K will be 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So the value of k is what? 4. Now coming to third question. Find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoint of a side of a triangle. Midpoint. So this is 0 and minus 1. Let it be A. Then 2 and 1. Let it be B. And 0 and 3. C. Now, you have to find the area of a triangle formed by joining midpoint. Correct? These three are the midpoint. So suppose this is P, Q, and R. Now you know what is the coordinate of P. P will be 0 plus 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 1. Q is 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. So the coordinate of P is what? 1 and 2. The coordinate of P is what? 1 and 2. Sorry, P.
And we can
Now,
write
similarly,
px
the
and py.
coordinate of Q will be 0 plus 2 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, right? So this become 1, comma, 0. 1, comma, 0. The coordinate of R in the same manner. Tell me. 0 plus
0,
0 by
1.
2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So it will become 0,
0, 1.
1. Right?
Yes, sir.
So we have a triangle as A 0, minus 1, B 2, 1, C 0, 3, and R 0, 1, Q 1, 0, P 1, 2. Fine. Now we have to find area of triangle PQR. This will become what? Half 1, 0 minus 1. Okay. Plus 1, 1 minus 2, plus 0, 2 minus 0. So this will become 0. Half minus 1 minus 1. So this will become minus 2 by 2 minus 1. Now you have to find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC will be what? Half x1 is what? 0. 1 minus 3 plus x2 is what? 2. 3 plus 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 1. See, this 0 and 0 will get cancelled. This will become what? 8 by 2, which is what? 4. Which is what? 4. Now, area of this triangle PQR is 1 and area of triangle ABC is what? 4. So in what ratio? You have to find area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC. So this become 1 by 4. 1 is to 4. Yes?
Yes, sir.
But, sir, but how can the value of area of a triangle could be minus?
Sorry, area?
Means in the last, the area of triangle PQR is minus 1. So how it could be negative?
How come it is minus 1? See, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is what? 8. This one is 8 divided by 2 is 4, na?
No, sir. I am asking that why the value is negative. This one.
Okay, fine. So, okay. So in formula, what you are observing, it is what? Half, and we have mod, right? Mod
Yes,
means
sir.
what? Area will
Magnitude.
be
Yes, sir. Understood.
always
Understood.
positive.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, area is not negative.
Means, sir, here we are taking the area vector, like.
Yes, area vector. Area is a vector quantity. In physics, I guess you already had studied or not studied. Area is a vector quantity.
Yes, sir. Means, yeah, understood. I understood, sir. Means that was not the mod, that was an area vector. But when we took the mod, then it would be understood.
Yeah, mod is symbolic for it will not be negative. In physics, we have one area, which is what? Vector, and this current. We already had studied current electricity. So
Scalar.
current is a scalar or vector?
Scalar.
Yeah, current is a scalar of.
Actually,
Current
sir,
is
it's a
having
tensor.
direct.
Actually, it's a tensor
No,
quantity,
no, no,
but
no.
the lowest.
Tensor is something different. Tensor is which is neither a scalar nor vector.
But sir, means I have read somewhere that the tensor, the smallest, we can say smallest of the tensor are the scalars.
Yeah, that is correct. But in case of current is having direction. It should be vector, but it
it
is a
doesn't
scalar.
obeys. It doesn't obeys the vector law of
Vector
addition.
law of algebra. Current obey scalar law of vector algebra. So current is treated as scalar and which is not a scalar, not a vector, is called as what? Tensor. In 11 12 you will come to know about tensor. Suppose moment of inertia is there. Moment of inertia is there.
Yes, sir.
Stress is there. Strain is there. Strain. These all are what? Tensor. Ratio of two same quantity. Okay. Question number 3 clear? Moving to question number 4. You have to find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices are -4 -2, -3 -5, 3 -2, and 2 and 3. Right? Now you know a quadrilateral, suppose this one is a quadrilateral taken in order A, B, C, and D. Fine. A is having coordinate 4 and -2. B is having coordinate -3 and -5. C is having coordinate 3 and -2. And D is having coordinate 2 and 3. You can draw this, and you are okay that we have two triangle ABC, sorry, triangle ABD and triangle BCD, right? Fine. You can find the area of triangle 1 and triangle 2, and you have to add it. Any confusion?
No, sir.
And last question is question number 5. You have studied in class 9th that a median of a triangle divided into two triangle of equal area. Verify this result for triangle ABC. So we have triangle A, B, C. A is what? 4 and -6. B is what? 3 and 2. And C is what? 5, 2. And suppose this one is what? Median. So median bisect BC, correct? AD bisect BC. So what is the coordinate of D? D will be 3 plus 5 by 2, 2 plus 2 by 2, right? So this become 4, 2. 4, okay, wait. This is -2. So this become 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have two triangle. This is triangle number 1. This is triangle number 2. You have to find the area of triangle ABD and triangle ACD, and we have to check they are numerically equal or not. Try to find the area of triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Find it. I will give you 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. What is the value of triangle ABD? Area of triangle ABD?
Minus
how many square unit?
So I'm getting 5 square units.
How much?
5.
5. Can anyone confirm? Is it 5 or not?
no, sir. It's -3.
-3 not will be there. It will be +3. Don't take minus sign. It is in mod. Positive.
Okay,
One
sir.
student is 5. One is getting 3. Can anyone? One more candidate will confirm which is correct. 5 or 3.
So it is 3.
Okay, it is 3, right?
Sir, both triangles are 3. ABD and ACD.
Yeah, this point you have to prove. Only this you have to prove that the area of both triangle are same. Fine, so it's done, right? We will be taking TA on triangle and on coordinate geometry after completing the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask.